become independent in 1947 when the population of India was 33 crores. Today it is almost 143 crores. It has grown by almost 110 crores people. And you can understand that just for the human consumption, the consumption has gone up by almost 5 times. Simultaneously, the equivalent amount of increase has gone into the agriculture as well as industrial water requirement. So from 1947 up till now, we have fairly successfully managed this water scenario by constructing different dams or Kolhapur type of reservoirs. So our focus in last 50-70 years was to increase the water availability and increase the water storages. But we have almost reached to its maximum. So now we will have to evaluate or adopt certain different measures to tackle this water problem, because water demand is going to increase day by day. So from last 20-25 years, people were talking about the green, and certain 5 R's, those were introduced. People were thinking and talking about it. They mainly talk about reduction in the water consumption at the source itself, and reuse means treatment and reuse the water so that the burden on the fresh water resources will be less. So the first concept that come into the picture was zero discharge site. So zero discharge site was the site where you are not putting any burden on municipality as far as untreated sewage is concerned. So you will 100% treat the sewage. You will use whatever water for the application suitable for the same, and whatever you cannot use, you release it in the municipal chambers or the nala or oda. Then the concept come of net zero, where you will not dependent on any government agency for your water supply as well as your disposal of polluted water. So you will consume water within your premises itself. So you will recycle the maximum water, you will reduce your water consumption, and simultaneously whatever fresh water is required, you will achieve it through rainwater harvesting, bore wells, and so on. So you will ultimately not expect a single drop of water from municipality, and you will not release any water in the municipal chambers. That basically is the net zero concept. So to achieve the net zero concept, 3 or 4 basic measures that you have to take. One is the low flow fixture, second is the rainwater harvesting, and third is the STP. Now, if you know, mostly the industries require prior MOEF approval to start the work, and any residential project will require this approval for 20,000 or more square meters of construction area. So nowadays, mostly all the projects are going for the MOEF clearance, and in MOEF clearance, STP, recycling of the water, and rainwater harvesting is mandatory, it's compulsory. You have to do it. You have no other option. So most of the architects, most of the builders, most of the civil engineers are now aware about what exactly is the rainwater harvesting or STP and reuse. Very few people really understand what exactly is the low flow fixture. So low flow fixture is a particular fixture which will deliver a predefined amount of water irrespective of the pressure. Normal fittings which you are using, if you increase the pressure, the flow rate will increase. So any fitting